Here's where you can go to enable the color correction settings for your display colors on your Moto G 53. And this is just a feature found in the accessibility settings that may be useful for some of us. And let's get started. In order to find the settings here, you'll use the quick panel axis, pull it down 2 times until you see the settings gear icon right here. Once you tap on that here, you can use the search settings and type in the words color correction. So go ahead and start typing that in. And as you start typing it, you'll see the suggestions show up here, color correction, okay? Now, when you tap on it, it'll take you exactly where you need to go next. You'll notice it flashed for you here. And as you tap on it one time, it'll take you here. And again, this isn't a feature for everyone or anyone, but those of you who are going to really need this feature here, this is what you're gonna do to enable it. You can go down here and turn this on here. And as you do this here, you can toggle between these different color layout options here. And this is going to change for you. You'll also notice how these colors will change for you every time you change that. If you also want the black and white gray colors here only, this is what you'll do. Switch it to the grayscale and you'll also get this right here. All right. Now, if you just so happen to want to keep this feature on a standby here, and you always want to make use of it instantly, you'll also have the option to enable the shortcut. And when you turn on the shortcut here, you'll have this quick toggle here, like that here, that you can tap on anywhere you are. So if I tap on it here, this will enable it or disable it at any given time. Not only that, you can tap here and make use of these settings here. So say you're using the navigation gestures and not the buttons, you can use the volume keys to access it from here by tapping on this as an option, as well as going here. If you want this little icon down here, go to location, navigation bar, and you'll see this one here as well. And they both work the same way. And of course, if you don't want any of these here, it's totally up to you. You can disable the shortcut from here, and you can also disable the color correction settings here if you don't want it to be in use. And that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Like and sub. Thanks for watching.